guys, what's up? Right, take two. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Nico Nee, and I am playing Animal Jam. And I'm here with my cousin.
Hi.
And she's eating. So am I.
Pancake.
Yeah, she's eating pancakes. I got this, and I got like all these rares on like the mailtime or something. And it says 3 days for this to hatch, but it's been like 4 days, so yeah, that's great. So what I got started from, I think, here all the way up, and I got this just there. Trade me head feather. Yeah, I'm trying to get a head feather. Choked. And there's all the way off my list for hand against that. Okay, so this is what's happening. So I'll be back once like I get a trade. I think I'm gonna do attempts for like a diamond shop spike, like this orange one, because So I'll be back when I have a trade. So guys, this is what I'm saying. Doing attempts for diamond collar. I'm recording, so I'll be back once I get a trade. First trade as a legendary glove. So yeah, it's from the same person. They have the legendary glove, the one arm mohawk, the horned leg pad, head flower, racing jacket, necklace, eye patch, a fire fox. It's called fire fox, but it's like a giraffe, kangaroo, and a seahorse. So this is one. So someone was on my den, but I was gonna say I'm not gonna bother to go there because they just leave. So yeah. Anyway, yeah. Let's see. Dude, that is worthless in a real spike. I hope you know that. Yeah, I do. So, okay, guys. I don't think the diamond shop spike is getting a lot. So, right. So I'm gonna move on to the. Okay, 1, 2, track. Yeah. Okay, right. I'm gonna do it for the rare spike wristband. So. So. What should I say? Doing attempt. Attempt for a rare rest. Oh my god, I can respond. Comma. Let's go stop. Recording. Okay, yeah. So I should get enough on this. So I'll be back when I get a trade. Okay, first off the bat, we have a rare spiked wristband black. So I'm gonna accept, obviously, because it's like worth more. So okay, right. I was not expecting this for a blue long wristband.
Oh.
Okay. Oh my god. it so much. Okay. I have eaten and I am happy. So I'll be back because we're gonna do black raspberry. So happy. Oh, okay. Right. I mean, I was gonna say what they done, but they done like rainbow, a feathered fox mask, I think, and some two other items. So yeah. Okay, now they've added. They done freedom jester, hat, feathered mask, rare cozy shoes, rainbow top hat, eyeball. I think that one's bear. Elf shoes and a hat and collar wig. So I'm gonna do to kind of, because it is an undertree. Next off, we have a rare polka dot tuxedo and rare turquoise necklace. Let me tell you, they're both rare, and it's for one rare. But this is a spike, and spikes are not the rarest item in the game. I don't know. No, they're not the rarest item. So I'm gonna decline it because it is an undertrade a game. So like, I don't know what they're trying to do or something, but I'm gonna have to decline it. Now I was actually trying to get this out there. Now we have a green short wristband for a black short wristband, and again it's an undertrade because black ones are like the best, except for magenta. So yeah. Okay, now I'm just gonna wait because not many people are trading, and I think the reason is because it's not much things to like do attempts for, but it's still something to attempt for. As we all know, in my last video I did tell you about like I think I don't have much. I'll stick the lava glove in because it's the lava glove, so I don't know, they're both for members, so yeah. I don't know. I'm not add more because so I'll be back once we're done. Okay guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be back in a second because I have to do something. Okay guys, if you comment on my video or you give me the best item as usual, you will get this is for non-members. I'll trade for a bad item for the non-members and the other ones for members or non-member, I don't give. So a pirate sword, are they better?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ones that are non-member.
And a neon spike collar. I know some of you guys don't have spikes and you don't have like stuff to get them, or you do, you just never get like an egg set. So I'm gonna be giving you this if you gift or you comment your username, remember your username because I need your username. So yes, I'm just saying this because I really want to give some people stuff, and I know what I have isn't a lot, but like, oh, oopsies. I know what I have isn't a lot. Does that go? No. So yeah, I just want to give some stuff out because I don't think I've done that. I don't know, but I've not done it. So these are things that you would win. A non-member could have this, and a member could have this, and a non-member could have this, and a member could have this. But I'm just saying, if you want to leave your username down below in the comments, and yeah, read the description, and you'll understand everything if you've not watched the whole video, okay? Or you can skip, or whatever you've done to do this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to say this, and yeah. And I'm excited this, like how to trade fair so you can get stuff. So yeah. Or do you guys want me to buy you something from the diamond shop? That I would do, and I'll send it to you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be back with another video soon. Hope one of you jammers out there win. Bye!